for improving self-confidence and self-esteem for people with confidence issues. The properties of obsidian stone are that it will shoo away the negativity and evil intentions, thoughts, and helps in coping up with depression and stress. Obsidian stone looks very beautiful with black color on the outside and a tinge of sparkly golden in bright light. A strongly protective stone, it will shield you against negativities or bad intentions, alleviates depression or stress, and disperses unloving thoughts. At workplace, the people who suffer from backstabbing and office politics will benefit immensely with Feng Shui remedy of Obsidian Bracelet. This stone forms a personal protective layer that keeps you protected against shoo energy, which are killing energies. It keeps the negative energies away and attracts good luck, money, and fortune. It protects from attacking energies, negativity, bury nazar, bad intentions, evil eye from others who wish to harm you. Recommended for people who had a troubled past or a trauma which is creating fear, bad thoughts, nightmares, hard feelings, breakups, lost love, and depression. Obsidian Bracelet is a preferred Feng Shui remedy to gain confidence and self-respect. It also helps in recovering fast and aids in healing body tissues and cells. Obsidian is a very powerful stone that does wonders for improving self-esteem. This stone will induce personal development and help in overcoming all the hurdles coming in the way. Obsidian crystal has natural properties to bring focus and clarity to the mind by removing confusions and contradictory beliefs. For people who want to quit any substances. The physical properties of obsidian are well known to help in digestion and detoxification of body. It turns one's weaknesses into strengths and improves self-confidence. This stone will help your mind recover from such thoughts and tragedies of the past and bring peace of mind during such change in circumstances. Obsidian stone is recommended as a stone for personal protection for getting positivity and to fight with stressful situations, anxiety, bullying at workplace or in school.